say it one more time? Very good. Well done. Now, Amazon parrots like Quincy, they are very good in copying sounds that they frequently hear around them. Quincy here is very good with animal sounds, high-tech sounds, even human sounds. We're going to start with some animal sounds because Quincy, he used to live in a farm. And guess what? His best friend was the cat. Very good cat. Well done, Quincy. Let's not forget your noisy neighbor, the rooster. Oh, that's a fantastic rooster. How about a big hand for Quincy? Very good mimics with animals. Now high-tech, beautiful high-tech. A sound that you often hear at home. Quincy, how do you do the sound of a telephone? Telephone. Very good ringtone. You don't get this kind of ringtones anymore these couple of days. This is a classic one for you. Human sounds, okay, Quincy? Human sounds. He's also a very cheerful bird. Now, whenever he's very happy, he will laugh. Happy bird indeed. How about when someone falls sick, they start to sneeze, right? Quincy can sneeze very well too. Quincy, how do you sneeze? Oh, no, that's the chicken. One more time. Sneeze. Oh, very good sneeze by Quincy. Well done. Okay. I enjoyed that sneeze very much too. Okay. Now, children, this time the smaller kids can participate. Okay. Listen to Quincy's mimics. If you think you can copy